February 22, 2022. I am here at Warkworth. This is my new project as a project surveyor. I am assigned here. So this is the third project. So I also have Milldale and Red Hills. So this is a Warkworth Ridge. So if you can see, look at that clouds there, eh? See that clouds there, eh? Beautiful place. That's beautiful. The day is good, for God is good. Cheers, everyone.